Guys, I just left Mama V's and Jeff with Bobblehead Homestead. His new property's just right around the corner. So I stopped by here. Drew and Lindsay are on their way. Jeff will be here in just a minute. We're going to do a little property tour real quick, and then I'm going to head home. So yeah, just want to stop by and check out the new property and say hi to my friends.
Bobblehead! Quick video, Bobblehead!
Thanks for the call, Bert. Guys, we got fire on the mountain, man, right behind us. They're burning all kinds of stuff, clearing this land. Dozer's going. Drew's got his backhoe over here, man. That's a really nice backhoe, Drew. Drew's right there in front of me. I know you guys can't see him, but he just now pulled in, him and Lindsay, and we're going to visit for a minute. But this is a super awesome place. I can't be more happier for Jeff, man. This is going to be awesome, him getting his homestead over here and getting all set up, man, and all the possibilities with the chickens and having all this room and everything. But there is a ton of work to do. But luckily, Jeff's got some really good friends in the community that can help out, you know what I'm saying? And I'll be here helping. You can guarantee that. My main man, Drew, right here behind me.
What's up, dudes?
He's going to be helping. You already know. I just got done showing y'all his backhoe, man. He's already helping. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to... I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's Lindsay's backhoe.
I'll let you have it this time.
My mistake. My mistake. That's Lindsay's backhoe. All right. Lindsay, I'm ready to see you get up in that dude and run it. You ready, Lindsay?
1 minute.
All right. All right. Lindsay's going to get in that dude and drive it around for us. But they've been doing a bunch of work out here, man. There is firewood stacks everywhere around the property. They've been burning stuff. They got tents and everything set up out here. So just an awesome place with a lot of really great possibilities for Jeff and everything he's trying to do with Groovy Eggs Farm. So I'm going to get off of here and visit. Jeff's on his way. And don't go anywhere. Not quite done yet. Guys, Drew got a hold of a root ball so big in that backhoe that the backhoe couldn't go any further. You know what I mean? It was just holding it back. And I think he's going to try to break it up a little bit. That way he'd get this stuff hauled right over there to the fire and keep cleaning up Bobblehead's homestead. There's a ton of work going on over here at Jeff's new homestead, and we're hoping, we're not gonna give anything away. We're hoping it's gonna go sooner than later. You know what I'm saying? I'm standing right here by the man, right there. See that guy with the big long bushy beard that likes to photobomb everybody? That's my buddy Jeff, Bobblehead Homestead. You guys already know him, man. But if you don't, make sure and go by his channel and check it out. I will leave a link to the description of his channel down below. If you just click on more and go down, you'll see it. It'll be right there. But check out Jeff at Bobblehead Homestead, man. He's an awesome guy. He's going to be moving over here to the new homestead. Jeff's got big plans. Got a big dream here for Groovy Eggs Farm. Got to move all the coops over here and the chickens and stuff. There's just so much work that needs to be done. But hey, we got a good community, and he's got a lot of friends that can help, and I'm one of them. So be looking for me over here at Bobblehead Homestead, giving him a hand from time to time whenever I can. But guys, that's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to swing by Bobblehead's new homestead because I was in the neighborhood and I haven't seen it yet. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on, man? Hit that subscribe button. If you liked any part of this video, give me a great big huge thumbs up like. And if you got anything to say, just drop it right there in the comments. That's all you got to do, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch y'all on the next episode. Peace!